Today's chapter is chapter 4, that is electoral politics of your political science. So in this chapter we will understand how the representative are elected through election. The chapter begins with the topic of why elections are necessary and useful in a democracy. Okay, then it further explains how electoral competition among parties serve the people. Election is a mechanism by which people can choose their representatives at regular intervals and change them if they wish to do so. So this mechanism is known as election. So by election we can choose our own representative, and if we are not satisfied with the current leader or the representative, we can change. So in this chapter we will learn about election, why it is important, why election is necessary, what are the different outcomes of the elections in detail. Okay, so the first topic is why election. Assembly election in Haryana. So with the story I will explain you why elections are important and why, and with the help of election we can overcome our difficulties. The time is after midnight. An expectant crowd sitting for the past 5 hours in a chalk of the town is waiting for its leader to come. So here is the situation where it is a midnight. Okay, and here is a group of people. They are sitting for about more than 5 hours in a chalk, or you can say in a place in a town, and they are waiting for their leaders to come. The crowd stand up whenever a passing vehicle comes that way. Okay, so the crowds used to stand whenever a vehicle used to pass by their way. Okay, the organization assure and reassure the crowd that he would be here anytime. So the organization and or the people of that particular political party, they assure that the leader will come here in any moment. So that is the reason why the crowds were standing up whenever they see a vehicle comes through their way. It arose hopes that he has come. So whenever a vehicle arrives near them, it arose a feeling or hope that their leader had arrived. The leader is Mr. Devi Lal, chief of the Haryana Sangharsh Samiti, who was to address a meeting in Karnal on Thursday night. So the leader of that particular political party is Mr. Devi Lal, and he is the chief of the Haryana Sangharsh Samiti, and he was address a meeting in a place known as Karnal on Thursday night. The 76-year-old leader is a very busy man these days. His days start at 8 a.m. and ends at 11 p.m. He had already addressed 9 elections meetings since morning, been constantly addressing public meeting for the past 23 months and preparing for his election. So it is a scenario before the election is about to take place, and the leader is very busy, and he was busy in order to address the different types of election meetings, and this is the reason why he was late in a meeting which was organized at the Thursday night. Okay, and this is and here the local people or the normal citizens, they are waiting for their leaders to arrive.